this set of slides is about Instagram ads. So advertising on Instagram. Instagram has a huge community, more than 400 million users. It's a great platform to advertise ads. Businesses can share their stories with a highly engaged audience. And now these ads are available globally for all businesses, big and small. So with Instagram, you can see how many clicks you have to a website, how many mobile app installs, and how many people view your videos. So the format is relatively interesting. There are photo ads. You can post a photo and put a caption underneath, and then have a website linked or an Instagram page linked. There are video ads. They used to be up to 30 seconds long, but I know now you can put up to, I believe, 15-minute long videos, or maybe even longer. And then there's carousel ads. They bring an additional layer of depth to photo ads. So this is basically when you have more than one post or more than one picture on a post, they could slide and see more images. So some strategy tips are to start with a clear goal and creative concept, something that people will want to click on, something that's compelling. Another tip is to create a brand look and feel. So basically create a color palette